Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. What if you could flip the off switch on cellular aging? The core of this formula is 600 milligrams of resveratrol, featuring high-potency Trans-Resveratrol. This isn't just an antioxidant. It's a biological key that activates your SIRT1 longevity pathways. By mimicking the beneficial effects of calorie restriction, it triggers deep cellular repair, protects your DNA, and supercharges your mitochondria, the engines of your cells, to keep you feeling younger from the inside out. For your cardiovascular system, resveratrol is a total game changer. It works to protect your arteries by inhibiting LDL oxidation and improving blood vessel function. By supporting healthy blood flow and maintaining steady pressure, it helps shield your heart from the oxidative stress that leads to long-term wear and tear. This formula is designed to reach where others can't, crossing the blood-brain barrier to support memory and cognitive focus. It boosts essential brain proteins for long-term neuroprotection while simultaneously calming systemic inflammation. This means better joint comfort, a sharper mind, and a more balanced metabolism as you age. We deliver this longevity molecule in a plant-based vegetable capsule. It's vegan-friendly and designed for optimal intestinal release, ensuring you absorb every milligram of this fat-soluble powerhouse. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold. The new standard in health.